Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about signs you're eating too much fiber and how to fix it. Wondering if it's possible to get too much fiber? The recommended daily fiber intake is 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men, but around 95% of people don't reach this amount. However, if you go overboard, you might experience bloating, stomach pain, gas, loose stools, constipation, temporary weight gain, reduced blood sugar, especially important for diabetics, or, in rare cases like Crohn's disease, an intestinal blockage. 1. How to relieve symptoms of too much fiber. If you're feeling the effects of excess fiber, try these tips. Drink plenty of water. Pause any fiber supplements. Avoid high fiber and fiber fortified foods. Switch to a bland diet. Skip foods with inulin or chicory root. Get light exercise like walking. Track your daily fiber intake with a food diary. And if you have IBS, consider a low FODMAP diet to ease symptoms. Once you feel better, reintroduce fiber-rich foods gradually. Spread out fiber intake throughout the day, and aim for a range of fruits, veggies, grains, beans, and nuts instead of focusing on just one type. 2. Optimal daily fiber intake. The right amount of fiber depends on your age and sex, and more isn't always better. Too much can cause digestive issues. 3. How fiber affects digestion. Fiber has two types with unique benefits. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, helping food move through your digestive system and balancing pH levels. It may help prevent diverticulitis and colon cancer. Soluble fiber absorbs water, forming a gel that slows digestion, which helps you feel fuller and may aid in weight control, heart health, blood sugar regulation, and lower LDL cholesterol. Both types can be fermentable, meaning bacteria break them down in your gut, which supports healthy digestion and boosts beneficial gut bacteria. 4. Benefits of fiber. The right amount of fiber supports regular digestion, manages cholesterol and blood sugar, and prevents chronic diseases. In regions with diets rich in fiber, like rural South Africa where people consume over 50 grams per day, rates of colon cancer are low, unlike in populations with high-fat, low-fiber diets. 5. Best sources of fiber. Food is the best source of fiber because it also provides essential nutrients. For soluble fiber, try oats, beans, apples, and nuts. Insoluble fiber can be found in whole grains and vegetables. For fermentable fiber, foods like oats, Jerusalem artichokes, and bananas are good options. Fiber balance is key. More is better than too little, but avoid sudden increases to prevent discomfort. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.